In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Udemy player resolution on desktop if your video looks a little blurry or you're trying to save bandwidth. Adjusting the player resolution is a quick fix. It lets you choose how sharp the picture is, which can help when you're reading on-screen text or dealing with a slower connection. Start by opening your Udemy course in your browser and playing any lecture. You can use your preferred desktop browser, and it doesn't matter whether you're in a normal window, theater mode, or full screen. These steps work the same. Let the video begin so the player is active on the page. Move your cursor over the video area. When your mouse is over the player, you'll see the controls appear along the bottom edge. If they disappear, that's normal. They hide when you're not moving the mouse to keep the screen clear. Just wiggle your cursor again to bring them back. Look for the settings icon. It's the small gear symbol on the control bar, typically near the lower right corner of the player. Click that gear to open the video options. This is where Udemy groups choices related to how the video plays. In the menu that appears, choose the video quality or resolution you want. You'll usually see options like Auto, 360p, 720p, and sometimes 1080p. Auto lets Udemy decide based on your internet speed and current conditions, which can be convenient if your connection varies. If you want consistent sharpness, pick a specific resolution. Higher resolutions like 720p or 1080p make slides, code, and small text look crisper, which is great for detailed lectures. Lower resolutions like 360p can reduce buffering and use less data, which helps on slower connections or when you're multitasking. Keep in mind that the exact options depend on what's available for that particular video. Not every lecture is uploaded at the same quality, so if you don't see 1080p, it likely isn't available for that course or lecture. That's normal, and not a problem with your device. After you select a resolution, the change takes effect right away. If the video buffers or stutters after switching, try dropping down one level until playback is smooth. You can revisit the gear icon at any time to adjust it again, and it's fine to change it per lecture if your needs shift. That's all there is to it. Open your course and play a lecture, move your cursor to show the controls, click the gear icon, and pick the resolution that works best for you. Enjoy clearer lessons or smoother streaming with just a couple of clicks.